Hello students, welcome in today's lecture. We have completed our topic cell unit of life, and in that the last part is the microbodies, which explains that this cell organelle is present in all plants as well as in animal cell, which has a single membrane bound structure and it contains the various types of the enzymes. So after that we will discuss in today's lecture the MCQ of this topic, and here on the screen you can observe the first MCQ, that is the plasmid DNA is used to. Now we have to think first that what is meant by plasmid DNA. Plasmid DNA is the extra chromosomal DNA which is present in the bacterial cell. This plasmid DNA is important for, we have also seen the function, but here there are 4 options are given, and first option is the inspector bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. Inspector means this DNA keep observation on how the bacterial transformation takes place with foreign DNA. Then what is meant by bacterial transformation? Bacterial transformation means in any bacteria when any foreign gene is added in it, then there will be change in that bacterial cell, that is called as the bacterial transformation. So you do not inspect or inspector on this bacterial transformation, you do not keep on observation on that process. So first answer or first MCQ option is incorrect. Second one, regulator bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. It do not have any role in the regulation of the bacterial transformation process. Third one is it monitor bacterial transformation with foreign agent. Monitor means it gives suggestion, it gives order that how to bacterial transformation takes place with foreign agent. And the last option is that monitor bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. So fourth option is correct because this plasmid DNA is responsible for transfer of any foreign DNA into the bacterial cell. So monitor means it takes the lead for the bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. So option fourth is correct for the first MCQ, plasmid DNA is used to. Now see the second one. Match the column A and B. In column A, cyanobacteria, fimbriae, pili and gas vacuoles are given, while in column B, chromatophore, photosynthetic bacteria, elongated structure and Bristol-like structure, these parts are given. Now see here, this is from this question. You can observe the answer from the NCERT book. It is given in the prokaryotic cell. So here cyanobacteria, answer for that cyanobacteria is, it is photosynthetic bacteria. Pili. So see first options, cyanobacteria, fimbriae, pili and the gas vacuole. So think about it, what is the correct answer for this? So here cyanobacteria means the chromatophore. Fimbriae, these are the Bristol-like structure. Pili, these are the elongated structure. And the gas vacuole are found in the photosynthetic bacteria. So the correct answer of this MCQ is the second one, where you can observe that cyanobacteria are the having the chromatophore, fimbriae are the Bristol-like structure, pili are the elongated structures, and gas vacuoles are the found in the photosynthetic bacteria. Then third MCQ is that elaioplast, amyloplast, alluroplast are the type of. Now we have seen that the plastid is one of the cell organelle which is present in the plants and euglenoids, and these plastids are of 3 types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. So here this eleoplast, amyloplast and aleuroplast are the types of leucoplast. Okay, so chloroplast is not correct option, protoplast is not correct, and bioplast is also not correct. So correct answer is the leucoplast. Now you can observe the figure here. The following organelle is the important site of formation of. This cell organelle is from the eukaryotic cell and it is the figure of the Golgi apparatus. Now you should know the function of the Golgi apparatus. So here there are 4 functions are given from the Golgi apparatus: glycolipid formation, lipoprotein, glycoprotein, and both 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. So we have seen that these Golgi apparatus are involved in the synthesis of glycoprotein and the glycolipid. So option is 4th, where 1 and 3 is given. Okay, correct there, 1 and 3 answer is correct for the function of this Golgi apparatus. Now the 5th question is, in the given figure find out the function of. Now from the NCERT book you first observe the figure of the nucleus which is given on the page 138. So this is the figure of the nucleus. You cannot clearly observe it here in this PDF file, but from NCERT book on page number 138 you can observe the figure of structure of nucleus. Okay, and in the structure of nucleus, in the nucleus at one side or at the periphery the circular body is present and there is label given as A, and the question is that identify this figure. Now you can easily observe it from the NCERT that in the nucleus a spherical body is there and we have to find the answer. Okay, they given that in the figure find out the function of this cell organelle. So we'll first identify this cell organelle, and this cell organelle is nothing but the nucleolus. Now after observing the figure of the nucleolus, you have to find the answer of this nucleolus. First function of this nucleolus is mRNA synthesis, second rRNA synthesis, third tRNA synthesis, and fourth option is both 1 and 2. Now we have seen that the nucleolus function is synthesis of ribosomal RNA. So correct answer is second, rRNA synthesis is the function of the nucleolus. Now 6th MCQ is that ribosomal RNA, in short we call as a rRNA, is synthesized in. Ribosomal RNA, just we have seen that it is synthesized in the nucleolus. It is synthesized in nucleolus, which is a spherical body present in the nucleus. So cytoplasm, ribosome or nucleosome is not the function of the synthesis of the rRNA. Now the 7th question is that cell theory was modified in the year. At the beginning of this topic we have seen that the cell theory which is proposed by the scientists Skildon and Schwann, and this theory was modified by scientist Rudolf Virchow. But here the year is asked that in which year Rudolf Virchow modified the cell theory, and the correct answer is 1855. So third answer is correct for it, that is cell theory was modified in the year 1855. Now the next MCQ that find the incorrect match. But student, listen carefully. For the NEET exam, generally the diameter of the organelle or the year of the scientist on which year he explained that theory, or on which year he explained this model is not asked. So theory as well as these 7 and 8 questions are only for our practice. Such a type of questions are not asked for our exam. But we will discuss 8 questions that find the incorrect match. Here there is a diameter is given, that is average diameter of mitochondria, mitochondrial length, perinuclear space, width of chloroplast. So this question answers you can get in the eukaryotic cell in the structure of mitochondria. So in NCERT book on the page 134, you can get the answer of average diameter of the mitochondria. So average diameter of this mitochondria is about 0.02 to 1 micrometer. So first is incorrect one. Second one, mitochondrial length is given, that is 1 to 4.1 micrometer, it is correct one. Perinuclear space is given, that is the space between the two membrane, and that is 10 to 50 micrometer, it is also correct. And the last part is given, that is width of chloroplast 2 to 4 mm. So first average diameter of mitochondria is incorrect, it should be 0.2 to 1 micrometer. Okay, so first answer is correct of this question. Next, central microtubules are connected by. We have seen the structure of cilia and flagella of the eukaryotic cell, and in that we have seen the diagram, and you have observed that 9+2 arrangement of microtubules is there, and the question is that here the central microtubules are connected by linkers, interdoublet bridge. Third option, linkers, interdoublet bridge, and fourth option, none of correct. Okay, now here the correct answer of it is none of correct. Why? Because here there are 4 options given for the question 9. Central microtubules are connected by linker, interdoublet bridge, linker, interdoublet bridge, none of the correct. Okay, now we have seen the structure of this microtubule. You can observe this figure from the page number 137 in cilia and flagella. There we have seen that central tubules are connected by bridges. So here only the bridges is answer correct, and it is not given. So correct answer is of the fourth, that is none of the correct. Linker is not correct, interdoublet bridge is also not correct, and the correct answer is only the bridge. So here answer is the fourth one, that is the correct one. Then nucleus was discovered in. Again, such a type of question of the year is not asked for NEET exam, but for practice you can see the answer of this question, that is in 1831 Robert Brown scientist discovered the nucleus. So answer is the fourth one. Then read the statements, and we have to see that which statement is match correct one and which is mismatch one. Now we have to find here only how many options are mismatch. So see here, kinetochore. Then what is meant by kinetochore? On the page number 139 in NCERT book under the title nucleus, we have seen that these kinetochores are the disc-shaped structures which is present near the centromere. So kinetochore is a disc shape, it is correct one. Next, mitochondria. This mitochondria cell organelle shape is given here, and it is called as, it is the lens shape, but actually the mitochondria is sausage shape or cylindrical. So second is the mismatch sentence. Then chloroplast. Chloroplast, we have seen that chloroplast cell organelle actually have the lens shape. So here it is also incorrect one. It is given as sausage shape. And centrioles, spherical with cartwheel-like arrangement. It is correct one because centriole has spherical cart-like arrangement. And the last one is called as the mesophile cell, which we have seen are present in the leaves and which contain the chloroplast. So here these mesophile cells are round and oval one, it is correct one. So from the question 11, how many are the mismatch? The answer is 2. Option is 2. Which 2? mitochondria and chloroplast, because reverse is given. Mitochondria is sausage shape and chloroplast is lens shape. First kinetochore is correct, centriole is correct, mesophyll is also correct. So option second is correct one. There are two cell organelles which are mismatched. Now, based on the position of the centromere, the chromosomes are classified into ... types. We have seen that there are 4 types of chromosome: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and the telocentric chromosome. So there are overall 4 types are found on the position of the centromere. Then vacuoles in a plant cell, lacks membrane and contain air. It is wrong, because vacuole has a membrane and the name of membrane is the tonoplast. Lacks membrane and contain water and excretory substance. It is also incorrect. Is membrane bound and contain storage protein and lipids. And fourth one is membrane bound and contain water and excretory substances. So fourth answer is correct, because it has membrane tonoplast and inside it you can observe about 90% water and other excretory substances. So correct answer is fourth one. 14 questions here. Statement A is given and statement B is given. Okay, such a type of question is also not asked for the NEET exam, but for practice one question is given here. Both chloroplast and mitochondria have internal compartment or thylakoid space bounded by thylakoid membrane. Both chloroplast and mitochondria contain DNA. It is statement B. But see here, chloroplast and mitochondria, both cell organelles, do not have the thylakoid space or thylakoid membrane. It is present only in the chloroplast. So statement B is correct and statement A is wrong. B why correct? Because both chloroplast and mitochondria has its own DNA. That's why we call it as a self organelle, or we say that it is a organelle which has its own DNA. But here the option A is incorrect, because thylakoid space or thylakoid membrane is only observed in the chloroplast, not in mitochondria. So option 1 is the correct answer. Now here you can observe the figure, and is the figure of the diagrammatic representation of the internal structure of the cilia and flagella. Okay, there we have to identify the names of the figure A, B, C in the following. Okay, so see here what is mean by A. So option is given here. You can observe the option. First option, radial spoke bridge linker, bridge radial spoke linker. Then linker radial spoke bridge, linker bridge radial spoke. So here we will discuss first with the diagram the options, and now we will see which one is the correct one. So 15th A is the bridge. Okay, then the B is the radial spoke, then the C1 here bridge radial spoke and C1 are called as a linker. So correct option is second, bridge radial spoke and linker. Bridge radial spoke and linker. Next one, an outer covering for plasma membrane of fungi and plants are. Outside the plasma membrane in fungi and plants, which membrane is present, and the name of that membrane is cell wall, because we have seen that the cell wall is a structure which is present outside the plasma membrane of the fungi and plant. Cell wall is absent in some protista, cell wall is absent in animalia, but it is definitely present in the fungi and plant outside the plasma membrane. So correct answer is first. Which structure contain peripheral protein lie on the surface and integral proteins are partially or totally buried in it? We have seen the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane, and in that we have seen that there are some peripheral proteins and integral proteins are present in that model, and so correct answer of it is the second, cell membrane. It is not present in the cell wall or the middle lamella, which is also a part of the cell wall. Which are not inclusion bodies? We have seen in the prokaryotic cell the inclusion bodies. What is mean by the inclusion bodies? Inclusion bodies means in a prokaryotic cell reservoir material stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies which do not have any membrane, and in these inclusion bodies we have seen there are phosphate granule, cyanophycin granule and the glycogen granule. Okay, so here glycogen granule, phosphate granule and cyanophycin granules are all the content of the inclusion body, but question is asked that which are not the inclusion body. So none of the above, because all are the inclusion body. So correct answer is the fourth one. Which structure is not present in animal cell? In animal cell which structure is not present? Centriole, nucleolus, ribosomes and the vacuole. Okay, now can you guess which is the correct answer? See here, centriole is the characteristics of the animal cell because it is absent in the plant cell. Nucleolus is a rounded body which is present in the nucleus of all the plant as well as animal cell. Ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, both plant animal cell. But a vacuole is the mainly characteristics of the plant. They are absent or very small in the animal. So correct answer of it is the fourth answer, that is the vacuole. Now mesosomes helps in. Again the structure we have seen in the prokaryotic cell only. We have seen that mesosomes are the special membranous structure which are formed by the extension of the plasma membrane into the bacterial cell, and these mesosomes has various types of the functions. Here maintain the shape of cell, prevent the bacterium from bursting, DNA replication and distribution, and the fourth one is given as the transcription. But here if we study these functions from the NCERT book 129, then you can observe that the mesosomes helps in. One is the correct one and the answer of it is the third, DNA replication and distribution, because maintenance of shape of cell is the function of cell wall. Prevent the bacterium from bursting is a function of the again cell wall. Transcription is not a function of the mesosome, it is a function of the ribosome. So here DNA replication and distribution is the correct answer of this question. All cells arise from pre-existing cells is explained by which scientist? The answer of it is given in the cell theory, and here the correct answer of it is Virchow, who modified the cell theory, because Swan and Skildon cannot explain how the new cells are formed, but new cells are formed from the pre-existing cell was first described by the scientist Virchow, and the one scientific name is given in NCERT book on page number 126, that is omnicellula ecellula. That means every cell arises from its pre-existing cell. So correct answer is Virchow. Nucleus was discovered by the scientist Robert Brown. Okay, so Robert Brown is the correct answer. Leeuwenhoek has described the microscope. Hooke has a role in the identifying the cell. Gallo is not have any reference regarding the topic, so the correct answer of it is the Robert Brown. Robert Brown has discovered the nucleus. Which function is not related to the function of cytoskeleton? We have seen that cytoskeleton is the proteinaceous structure present inside the eukaryotic cell, and this cytoskeleton has the functions like mechanical support, motility, maintenance of shape of cell, and the third function is given that maintenance of the protoplast of the cell. It is not a function of the cytoskeleton because it maintains the shape of the cell. It is responsible for motility of the cell. It gives the mechanical support of the cell, but it do not maintain the protoplast of the cell. So the answer of it is the third one. Cilia and flagella emerge from the basal bodies which are present in the cell membrane, and from these basal bodies cilia and flagella arises. So answer is the third one. Axonome is the central part of cilia and flagella. Radial spokes are the connections which connect the central two microtubules. Centrole are the cartwheel-like structure which are associated with the centrosome. So answer is the basal bodies. Now this question is from the structure of nucleus, that is the select incorrect option. So you have to know first the correct option regarding the structure of nucleus. First option is given that nucleus was 10 by basic die. Its correct answer. Perinucleus space is about 10 to 50 micrometer. Perinuclear space means the space present in between the two nuclear membrane. Nuclear matrix is called nucleoplasm. Chromatin contain basic protein, histone. So incorrect option is second. Perinuclear space is about 10 to 50 nanometer. Here micrometer is given, so it is the incorrect option, second one. Chromatin contain. We have seen that when the cell is not dividing, the content which is present inside the nucleus is called as chromatin. Okay, but when the cell get divided, that chromatin gets converted into the chromosome. So here the chromatin contain DNA, RNA, histone and non-histone protein. The answer of this is given on the page 139 in the structure of nucleus, and the correct answer is fourth, because in chromatin you can observe DNA, RNA, histone and the non-histone protein. So all these are the correct one for the MCQ 22nd.